Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my third video. This is Wanda Maximoff, also known as the Scarlet Witch. This is her zombie demon look from the movie in the Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness, I believe that's what it's called. And she has a specific scene in there where she takes out Professor X, but it happens so quickly. You know that she looks really, really scary, but you can't really see like exactly what she looks like. So I freeze framed on the scene a whole bunch of times to get her look. So I think I pretty much got it down. I really like the way it came out. She looks scary. She has these really sharp pointed teeth that I did not do. Of course you could go all out and do the prosthetic of the teeth and everything, but I wasn't gonna do all that. She also has these creepy long zombie fingers with like all these fingernails, so I left that part as well. I created it to a point where it was going to be easy for anybody else to recreate. So this is the look. The headpiece, I did create that myself by putting hot glue down on a parchment paper, mapped out the design of the headpiece, and then hot drizzled the glue to make it look like, it kind of looks like branchy. So that's what I did, and then once it was dry, I just painted it with some acrylic paint and sealed it with Mod Podge. So it was really, really simple to do. But you can also order these pieces online too, but this is budget friendly, so if you have hot glue handy and some paint, you're good to go. But I really, really, really like the way it came out. If you guys want to see how I did the look, then please stay tuned. Hey guys, I know this video is late, but I'm going to go ahead and put it up anyway, just in case you guys want to see how I did this look and you want it to be this character in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and start priming my face. I know it's going through pretty fast, but this is like the basic stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead, prime my eyes, my brows, and my face, and apply some foundation that's at least 3 shades lighter than my face. So all I did to get with this color was to mix it with some white mixing medium for foundation to get this lighter shade, because I didn't have foundation this shade. For my concealer, I'm going to use the white mixing medium as well, because I don't have a concealer that is lighter than this foundation color. So I'm just going to apply that to my nose and my chin once I'm done applying all of my foundation with this brush. And I'm going to blend that out with a little tiny sponge, and then once that's all set, I'm going to set it with some powder. Alright, so in the movie, she does have these veins going throughout her face. I'm using the Skin Illustrator palette to create these veins. I'm also going to stipple some bruise tones from that same palette onto the face with a little stippling sponge to break up the texture of my skin, because she is not smooth and perfect in the movie. Her face is pretty broken up in that scene. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that. Some areas came out darker than others, but I'm going to fix that later. And then I'm going to put a little tiny bit of foundation on top to make it appear as if these imperfections are underneath the skin and not just sitting on top of the skin, if that makes sense. And then once I have how I like, I'm going to go ahead and just put some powder over the top. Like I said, don't worry about those parts that look really, really dark, because I'm going to go ahead and fix that later. Now I'm just going to move on to brows. So the brows, I decided to do like a feathered type of brow. So I'm just using my black NYX, I forgot the name of this pencil or pen. I'm going to put it down below. But it's just a felt tip pen for eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and just apply my brows like so, and repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to tightline and align my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil on both sides as well. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take a black gel eyeliner, put that all over my lid and blend it out, because I'm going for a dark smoky eye. Now I'm going to make sure to put the same product on my lower lash line as well, and just repeat all these steps on the other eye. Now I'm going to pack on some black eyeshadow right on top of that black gel eyeliner on the top and bottom and blend it out towards my brow. To bring the dimension back to my face, I'm just using a dark brown contour powder. You can use black or gray if you want, but I just stuck with the brown. I'm just going ahead and shaping out my nose and then moving into my forehead, my cheeks, and my jawline as well. And I'm even going to put a little bit underneath my lip right here, just to bring my bottom lip a little out. So when she has the evil look, she looks like she's aged like 10 years. She has the smile lines that look really deep around her mouth and her lip area. She also has these bag-like looks under her eyes. So I'm just going ahead and imitating that look with the same exact brown contour powder. I forgot to mention that I did put on some eyelashes after my eyeshadow. So you could go ahead and apply whatever eyelashes you want. I just went with some sort of big, sort of wispy ones. Alright, so using that white mixing medium that I used in my foundation and I used as concealer, I'm going to go ahead and just apply that with a Q-tip right inside of that area where I created that fake bag. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it on, and then I'm going to use the other side of the Q-tip to sort of blend it out. Now this is actually going to help with those dark spots that I put on my face. You can see on the other side it's gone now because I used the white mixing medium to sort of blend it out. Now I'm just going in with the brown contour powder to define more of the areas. And for the lips, she doesn't have lipstick on in the movie, but I wanted to put some lipstick on but make it look kind of grungy. So I used a black liquid lipstick and I'm just smudging out the edges with my finger and reapplying to the center, and then the look is complete. For the headpiece, I'm just going to go ahead and stick that on the side of my face with Pros-Aid, and it did not go anywhere. And that's it. The look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was really fun to do this look. If you guys liked it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye.